Kafka internals, and the first topic is replications. So we are discussing about replicates data and provide a durable and reliable storage of Kafka. And so what is type of replica? Replica is one of the cornerstone feature of Kafka. It is a mechanism that allows Kafka to advertise availability and durability in face of inevitable and individual node failure. Kafka has a topic which consists of partition, and these partitions have replicated themselves hosted in different broker. Generally, each broker has several hundred or 1,000 partitions hosted in given time. Kafka broker with several partitions from different topic. When a design distributed system creating a replica of data stored, the data structure can help increase availability of a system, yet the same time it introduces challenges keep in replica in sync. A replica can also be introduced in a place where your read volume is very high and single copy can't be respond fast enough to read request. Type of replica. So we have leader replica, we have follower replica, right? So let's go. Leader replica. All requests from consumer and producer are routed through the leader replica in a partition. So all consumer and producer route through leaders. Each partition has a broker designed to the leader replica. A broker is a server. Follower replica. All replica that are not leaders are called follower replica. All replicas that are not leaders called follower replica. They don't participate in servicing the consumer and producer requests. Their only task is a replicate message from leader replica to stay up to date with the latest message of leader has. If the leader replica fail, one of the follower replica promoted as the leader. The follower replica send fetch request for the latest message to the leader replica. Similar how other client interact with leader. Leader replica know how far behind the follower replica. Examining offset to a fetch request sent by follower replica. The offset denotes the next message to follower replica want to consume. If a replica has not requested message to last 10 seconds, if the replica has requested message in last 10 seconds but failed to catch up to most recent message, then the follower replica considered out of sync replica. This means that will be not considered to election leader should be fail. This makes sense since the out of the replica has not been the latest message, so they should not promoted as a leader. The amount of time and follower can be inactivate behind consider of sync. So and so this is, you see, the broker topic partition. Kafka broker with several partition with a different topic. There is also concept of preferred leaders. This is broker know that they chosen to be the leader replica when the topic was initially created. The reason is preferred broker exists because the time of topic creation, the algorithm attempt to every divide the partition leader among to the available broker if the replica leader for all the partition in fact. So this is how the Kafka work. So thank you for watching. I will create a new video about the Kafka internals.